Gonna swap them out. See, y'all can see right there. December 2023. Those got to go out. Those was the Jags brand. 2023 down there. 2023 down there. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready, right? Welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. That's Peanut, I'm James. Welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventure, where every day is an automotive adventure. But before we get into today's video, let's give an official shout out to our official sponsor,
graphicspotva.com.
Graphicspotva.com. Gonna be right there along with their Etsy store, right?
Yep.
And any graphic needs, y'all, reach out to them. Team Run It, reach out to them. I know y'all got graphic needs. I know y'all need decals. I know y'all need tumblers made, you know what I'm saying, with your decal on it, engraved in the tumbler, excuse me. And I know banners, yard signs, he can do it all, y'all. He can do it, you know what I'm saying? What else he does? T-shirts?
Yeah.
Hats. Oh, hats. I forgot to say hats with the nice emblems on them and whatnot, the engraved emblems. I'm going to have to showcase some of his work in one of our videos. That's what I'm gonna have to do in order for Team Run It to reach out. That's what I'm gonna have to do. We're gonna have to go over, really document our video, some of his work, some of his customer service and some of his work. So, but y'all reach out to the graphicspotva.com and they can make it happen for y'all. Any of you, professional, business and personal. I was about to say professionally, but business and personal. But all right, today's video is a junior dragster video. We're gonna bring you on the journey. We have to go ahead, Peanut, grab him. No, Dad. We have to swap out his harness, his safety harness, seatbelt, safety harness, however you want to say it, because this harness expired in December of 2023. We got a brand new harness right here. So let me turn it around. Oh, go ahead. You got it? Let me turn it around real quick. All right, Peanut's taking it out the box. We went with a Crow safety harness. And when we say, hold on, here we go. This is what I was looking for. See, this one expires. This one expires in June of 2026. So we're going to go ahead and take the body off of his junior dragster and swap them out. We got to swap them out. They got to be swapped out for he could pass tech. For when he, even on a testing tune, he got to pass tech. So we're going to swap them out. See, y'all can see right there. December 2023, those got to go out. Those was the Jags brand. 2023 down there, 2023 down there. So we're going to go ahead and get ready, right? So Peanut, what he's doing is, let me go around and show him what you're doing real quick before I switch cameras. Yeah, that's it. Hey, you could have took that out. Okay. He's undoing the fasteners. Voila. Before we could take the body off. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch cameras real quick. There you go. You got it? Yeah, here, give me that. I'll put it in my pocket. They don't have springs. There's that one. All right. You got it? Hold on. Here, see if you can get it with the screwdriver then. You want to try the screwdriver? Try it. Here, let me help you. All right. And we're going to sit it right over there, too. All right, hold on. Let me see what we got. All right, hold on. Go ahead. revolve. All right, sit it right there. You can sit it right there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This can come off. And I gotta see how all this, it should be right here on the side. Okay, this one, all right, this one's an easy one. The side ones are easy. Very, very easy. You should go there. I got it right. Because these are your shoulder harnesses right here. But they're longer, and they got that special something. Yep, shoulder harnesses got the little thing right there, where you can see it. So, alright. So I'm gonna need to go get a wrench. What size are those? Are those metric? They're standard. Hold on. Did it come with new screws? I think it's alright. I don't think that's metric though, but you can try it. Go ahead. Got experience, gotta learn it. Did it work? Okay. You was right, I was wrong. So, what size is this? A 3/8 drive? Yep, 3/8 drive. Here. But I gotta find you a wrench. I need a 12, because there's a nut on the back side of it. Okay, there's a 12 wrench. So let me go ahead. Yeah, let us know in the comments what you guys are working on. Sorry, I got sidetracked. This has got to be a 13 on that back side. All right, go ahead. Let me see it. Hold on. Anytime you do that, just come on this side. And use your body weight to go down. There you go. Perfect. All right, now ratchet it. There you go. Yeah, let us know what y'all working on in the comments. As y'all can see, gotta get this junior dragster up to snuff. Gotta get it within spec. But our first time, we're gonna take it out next month in March. He's gonna do a test and tune day. And another thing I gotta do too, we gotta install those ratchet strap chocks for this and the golf cart. Got it? Perfect. All right, let me have this. See, these are like safety. Yeah, you good right there. So take this one. Let me take it out for you because I don't want you to get cut by this, maybe by that piece of metal right there. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna take it out in March. Let them get a test and tune. Let them get it in the beans. Perfect. There's one out. Perfect. All right, let me get this one in. Can you get up in there? Can you see it? Can you get up in there? To pull it? Go ahead. You got it? I'm holding that for you. Go ahead. You got it? His hand, look, it's good to have small hands, huh? Go ahead. You got it? Can you get it? Go ahead, pull it. All right, yeah. Just like that. Perfect. All right, hold on. I gotta make sure this is I gotta make sure it's spun around correctly. Like that. I don't want to cut that. Hold on. That's the whole point. They're afraid to fail. Alright. So they go on the outside. Let me look. Yep, outside. All right, this is what I gotta do. Hold up. Hold on. Wait right there. Hold on. All right, team, run it. This is a new day on this video right here. Same video, but new day video. Because we ran out of time, what was it, 2 days ago, Peanut? We ran out of time 2 days ago. But we installed the new belts, right? Show them the expiration date on them belts. Is it something on there?
June 2026.
Yep, June 2026. It was some things I had to do. The bottom three was easy. Let's show them the bottom three. Here's one. Of course, here's the turnbuckle lock right here. That one. But the two back ones, I had to take the shield, the engine shield off. Back plate, whatever you want to call it. It's protection for him. We had to take that off, pull it back. A couple of 11 millimeter 7/16 bolts. We had to take those off, and to get to the other ones, and I might have to go back in there because I don't like that. It's kind of uneven, just not by much, but I want it kind of even for him. But we might go back in there and mess with it. It's done. It's done. We're trying to get this thing prepped for March 9th, but I need to check Northeast to see Northeast drag strip out in it's in North Carolina, and see if they got any dates that are open. Don't forget, subscribe, and see if they got any dates open, and get him some seat time, because we really need some seat time with this for him. And once it warms up, like it is today, but we ran out of daylight. Once it warms up, then we are going to probably put them back in the driveway again and let them get the feel of the pedals again and all that, because it's been a couple of months. I probably want to say, hey, when was the last time you actually sat in this and drove it in the driveway? It's probably been, what, November? Because December was kind of cold. I think it was November was the last time. So we'll get you back out there before we put you in the beams. But you're going in the beams in March at somebody's track. Somebody's track gonna let us in. So that's the go. So let me go ahead and close it out. Yeah, we getting it together, y'all. Getting it together. All right, Team Running, we're gonna go ahead and close this out. We are complete with that. Next, what we got on the list, we're gonna change the oil on it. Y'all know we run AMS oil and everything we got. We're gonna go ahead and change the oil. Put some fresh oil in it for the season. If you want to call it a season, it's going to be a lot of testing and tuning. Then we'll see where he's at, and then we'll, see if we can get him in some competition, rounds and all that. But right now, first couple of matches going to be testing tunes. You ready for testing tuning? Yep, he's ready, y'all. So let's go ahead and close it out. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share.
And hit
Hit that notification bell right there. And that's Peanut. I'm James. It's Peanuts Automotive Adventures. Go ahead, sign off. We out. Peace.